In this video, we'll briefly discuss what public administration actually is, and also explain the difference between public administration, denoted in small letters, and public administration, written in uppercase. Now let's start by defining what public administration is. At its core, public administration is the implementation of government policy. It is the management of public programs and the translation of political decisions into actions that benefit the community. If politics is the what, meaning deciding what needs to be done, then public administration is the how, meaning figuring out how to actually do it. Public administration essentially involves the planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling government of operations in order to serve the public interest efficiently and ethically. Before we continue further, it is helpful, especially for students, to understand a key distinction, which is often taught in academia. There's public administration, denoted in lowercase, which refers to the practice and process by the government when it's delivering services, or implementing laws, and even managing resources on a day-to-day basis. It is the actual doing of government work and delivering of public services. Then there's public administration, indicated in uppercase, which refers to the academic discipline, or field of study. This is the science and theory taught in universities, which involves analyzing, critiquing, and teaching the methods of the practice. In summary, public administration, which is capitalized, refers to the academic field, or the discipline of managing government affairs, while public administration, which is written in lowercase, refers to the actual doing of government work. If you are interested in building a career in public administration, we highly recommend that you watch these videos under our channel. They will help you understand the role of public administrators, the skills required, career opportunities, and the impact this field has on society. And if you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting, informative, and educational content. And please let us know in the comments if you are already in public administration, or you intend getting into this field. And also remember to let us know which country you are watching from. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.